Hello everyone and welcome to a new guide. My name is David and what do I want to show you today is where you can check your time spent on the Instagram app. So that being said, let's jump straight into this guide. I will open up my Instagram app and to see how much time you are spending daily on Instagram, you will have to reach first your profile. I will hit the icon from the bottom right corner and now you will see three lines on the upper right side of the screen. Hit those and you can visit your activity is the third setting that you have. I will leave an arrow on the screen. I will hit that and we have to scroll until we'll find how you use Instagram, and you can find it is the first one that appears is time spent. Today I spent like an hour and something, Thursday 12 minutes, Wednesday also 12 minutes, and last Sunday I spent like 14 minutes. And if you'd like to set a limit, you'll have here set daily time limit, and let's choose as an example 30 minutes. And if you'll choose that, Instagram will send you a notification, will remind you that you reached that limit for that day for you to leave the app.
I really would like to know if I help you with this guide. Don't forget to tell us in the comment section and also leave there any questions if you have any in that section. Please have a wonderful day.